Hi, I'm McKee. Welcome back to Coffee is Easy. Today we are making a brown sugar cinnamon oat latte, but my way, the better way. This is originally made by Starbucks. I would suggest making it at home. It's just brown sugar and water, shaken with oat milk. But I think there is a way to elevate it, and we're gonna drink it. Let's get started. If you don't know me, I am a 10-year specialty barista. So I haven't been doing coffee as long as Starbucks, but I think that I know a thing or two about coffee. Today we're using ground cloves, cinnamon, smoked paprika, and ancho chili pepper. And obviously brown sugar, oat milk, everything else. First we start with a nice packed cup of brown sugar, and then we're gonna get some water in there, both a quarter cup. I always love how it dissolves in there, it looks gorgeous. Next we'll add some cinnamon, 2 shakes, ancho chili, 2 shakes, 2-ish shakes, smoked paprika, this one goes a long way, so we're gonna do one generous shake, and then ground cloves, another 1 generous shake, because those ones go a long way. And then we stir. Tiny whisk. Binging with Babish, hit my line. This is my second video. Drop me a follow if you feel like it. Drop me a comment if you feel like it. Coffee is easy. Here's the thing. We make these things and we amplify the ingredients by 1 to 2 to 5%, 10%, I don't know. We increase the deliciousness factor, and then, you know, you can make all these things at home. Support local, support community, but know that you got the power. It's crazy good, crazy good. I'm gonna add more ancho chili. A nice generous 3. Next we're gonna put a little shot of decaf. Why decaf, you ask? Because Daddy's got a little problem with caffeine. I'm trying to quit. I'm not quitting coffee though. Need my routine, but I am taking a break. So yeah, that's why we're here. Today we are using Dune Coffee. They're Presidio decaf, Central South America, brown sugar tangerine rich. Also, my plan is to start my own instant espresso brand. So if you don't have one of these babies, then we can make coffee together. And all you need is hot water. Next, we'll drop my screen, take my puck, give it a whiff, throw it in the trash. Tamp this. Pop this on, bada bing, bada boom. You know how espresso works. Today we're using one of the mugs that my beautiful wife just made. If you want her to make one for you, comment. Let's see how this pulls. We're doing EK, nice fat shot. Thank you, Bravo Bambino, for your service. Move that out of the way. Obviously, you and I both know I'm figuring this out as I go. So if you got any suggestions, please let me know. Nice caraway. For these shakers, I can't get them open for the life of me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on. My daughter's taking a nap, so probably shouldn't do that. I feel like Thor Bradley on Instagram chopping wood, but instead I'm just trying to get a shaker open. Now we got our ice. Generous amount. If you don't have one of these, 2 glasses work carefully. And then we'll add our oat milk. I have Costco oat milk because it's cheap and it's delicious. A little Kirkland, a little pre-shake in there. Fill it up about halfway with the ice. Toss my espresso in there. Wow, that's full. And then 2 tablespoons of my ancho chili smoked paprika brown sugar. Cinnamon. 2 naughty spoonfuls. Lid on. Shuts out. And let's shake. Let me know what you want me to make next. I want to just make recipes. I can do like this or that, cheaper alternatives. But I've always wanted to be a recipe writer. So making recipes is the dream. You gotta learn how to do this first. And while we wait for that, because I have some extra heavy cream, I'm gonna do something wild. I'm gonna make a pretty straightforward vanilla cream top. Super little, super simple. I have vanilla bean paste. I just want to elevate it, you know? More than I already have. Always looks like a little tongue. I'm gonna shake this until it's thicker. Look at those little flecks. Gorgeous. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. You're early. If you follow me now, you can say you're one of the first. Watch this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Oh my God. Holy moly. It's fucking beautiful. Little yellow glass bendy straw. I can link those if you're into it. Yeah, baby. Isn't that gorgeous? Stay. Stay. Moment of truth. It's crazy good. Starbucks can suck it. That's so good. Oh my God. Look at that shot. Look at that. Anyway, go make this. I love you. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being supportive. And yeah, I'll see you soon. I think I'm gonna make something with, I think I'll make a take on an affogato next. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want. Let me know if you want me to just keep elevating simple Starbucks drinks, because I'll do that all day. Duncan, I'm coming for you. Anyway, have a good day.